Good afternoon, everybody. It's Bella here from Rach and Bella Crafts, and I've just popped on to show you the final flip through of this wedding album that I've made for my granddaughter Lydia and for Allard, who's her husband. So it's been a bit of a marathon, but we got there in the end, and I just begin the flip through. Okay, so as I say, this is a wedding album, and I'm going to get my... Sorry, I meant to do it first because I don't think I did it last time. I'm going to measure her, and she's roughly just under 8.5 inches, then 21 centimeters by 11 inches by, what are we, 28 centimeters. I don't want to lift it up. 5.5 centimeters and 2.25 spine on here. Okay, so I'll lift it up just a fraction, and there she is, and you can see she's just under 2.5. Okay, I'm careful not to move her out of shot. That's why I'm being very careful, because she's so big. Right, so here we go. So I put a lovely bow on there because she did want it tied. I didn't put one with a closure on the edge because I thought she's going to still be putting her photographs in this journal. So I thought, well, I'll just tie it for now, and then if she wants something tied on the end, I can put the holes in at another time. So anyway, let's get in and I'll show you. So there's some organza ribbon around the outside, which is lovely. So that can go over there. And let's see if that is in the way. No, we don't want that there, do we? Let's put that up there. Right, I'm going to stand up and I'm going to show you the first of all what I did with the spine. I managed to get it on, I think. Okay, there's the back, and it goes all the way round. So there we are, and that's Lydia and that's Allard. Now what I've done here, she's got these photographs that I showed you last time, so I've just popped them into this beautiful lace pocket here for now, until until she decides what she's going to do with them. This was off one of her wedding cards, and it says Lydia and Allard on their wedding day. That's the date on there, and it says wedding day on there. And I've put that behind vellum because I've got some of the dried flowers behind there. I haven't put anything in there yet. I may still add something, but I wanted to get this flipped through because Lydia's going to be calling for... There they are there in the church. I've shown you that one before. And this one is what I did with the laminator. And that's one of her roses from the bouquet that she had. Okay, that goes in there. And that's the pocket I was going to put on the front and change my mind. So she can add something there if she wants to. And that's the date of her wedding here. And she can write on there herself. Now I've just added some, what do you call these things? Tabs, lace tabs. Now I've taken the lace off here for the time being until she puts her photographs in. So I've left that like that because it's less bulky, because I don't want the spine or anything breaking. I popped that in there, and I'm not sure whether she's going to put photographs on the front here, so I didn't dress any of that. Not sure what she's doing actually, because she wanted a scrapbook, and I don't make scrapbooks, as you know. That was one of the roses, and what I've used here, and I've put it away, is the no, I haven't. Here it is. I put a coat of this on, this clear gesso on the top, and that should keep that safe. And that's going in there like that. So that's her rose, one of her roses. That there, I wasn't happy with that, but it's done now, so I can't do much about it. And I'm not happy about the glare, but she can see her flower, so that's the main thing. You have some success and you have some not so successful, but that's life, isn't it? But there we go. So she's got plenty of places to put her photographs. There's another tuck there if she wants to put something in there. Another tab on there, lace tab. Loads of space. And that's got some scripture on there. That's the scripture Lydia chose. And that goes in there. And she can, oh sorry, she can put photos in there. And I've got one here, I think, somewhere. Well, I was thinking, she sent us thank you cards, look. Isn't that lovely? So these photographs, the ones I put in the front, will actually fit in those. So Lydia can do whatever she likes, how she likes. And they've got plenty of time to make their minds up, haven't they? Got the rest of their lives. That's another one I did with the laminator. And there's her flowers in there, look. Okay, and I put some butterflies there. And that's one of her wedding cards that she had. So she can write on the back of there if she wants. Thank you for all your lovely comments regarding this. That's beautiful. I love that. That is lovely. As I say, she's got a lot of photographs that the photographer has taken. I'm not sure what she's going to put in here, whether she's going to make it like a scrapbook or whatever. So it'll be interesting to see what she does with this now. But there's plenty of space for her to play in here. There's a pocket there, and I've just popped that in there in case she wants to use some of the papers. And there's a pocket here as well. So if she's got small photographs, that can go down in there like so. Make it small enough to fit in there. That size would fit in there probably. No, not quite, but anyway, you get the idea. That's the other one, the pockets. Did I show you those? I think I did, yes. And she can put the photographs. Now this one I did cut down and it does fit in there, but I didn't want to cut them, you know, without Lydia knowing that I'd cut all of her photographs. So I'm going to let her do that, and she can decide whether they go in the notebook or whether they go in these pockets. And there's another one that I laminated here. That is glued down actually. And so is that one. That's the other, and if she wants to write something in there, she can. And this is another envelope, quite a big one, this. And I know they will fit in there, those. So she can play till her heart's content now, can't she? And there is another pocket there. So these could go in there as well. She's got plenty of room to put her photographs and anything else that she wants to put in there. And then another pocket at the back with the photographs in. So that's for Lydia to play with now. I'm going to put that over there, and I'm going to show you what else I made her, because she wanted something for her cards to go in. So I've made this little scrapbook. So it's got a little, now this is the ribbon that was around her bouquet, and I thought, well, what can I do with that? So here we are. There they are there, the happy couple. And I put married here, and I've got that down there. I've got a pocket here because I put these envelopes in there. So she's got an envelope there, and I put on your wedding day here. And there's one of her cards in there. She's got loads and loads and loads of cards. So she's not going to get them all in here. But there is room for her to glue some more on there and make pockets if she so desires. Okay, so that's that, and she can play with this because there's plenty of papers left for her to play with. Look, there's a little tuck there, and there's one of her wedding cards there. So that's the first signature. There were 3 signatures in the other one, by the way. I don't know whether you noticed. I meant to say that. So it was a 3 signature wedding album. So that's another one there. Excuse me. And that goes down in here. I'll just check that it is recording. Yes, it is. So that's what I've done. And that came off the front of one of her cards. And I've just put it behind. There's a Christian book behind. So she's got, it's not scripture, but it's words from a Christian book. That was one of her cards as well. And she gave me permission to cut them up. and I glued one on there to make a pocket. And there's another one. That one's intact, so I won't open that one. And that was, they're raised, those. So she can play with this, can't she? So she can have some fun. Put in her she's got loads. I think she had over 100 cards. There was no way I was going to get that into a journal, was there? So there's that. She can write on the back of there all about her day. I run out of cards then because she only gave me a few. So there's another pocket there, and there's another pocket here, and I have glued one of her roses on there. I did staple that one down on there, and I did glue it at the back there. So, and there's a pocket here, as I've just said. So she's got plenty of scope. She's got plenty to play with, and they've got the whole winter to settle down and make it their own. So that's that one and that one. So let's see how much of it is in frame. And I'll take some photographs and I'll put them on at the end. Thank you all very much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye for now.